Well, Megan, it's become clear that there's a lot of tools and technologies to help us keep our energy dollars from washing down the drain.
That's right. Now, so far, we've talked about some fairly big investment items. Now, let's focus on a few simple DIY adjustments that will make our water use more efficient.
That sounds good. We'll focus on three key areas: showers, sinks, and everyone's favorite, toilets.
Perfect. Let's go. Now let's start with sink aerators. Aerators help to moderate the flow of water that comes out of the faucet. Some aerators restrict flow more than others, so choosing the right one for the way you use your sink will give you the best of conservation and the best of convenience. Now, if your main use is for filling pots or other large containers, you may want to consider an aerator that allows a flow rate of 1.5 gallons per minute, or no aerator at all. If you mainly use your sink to wash your hands, dishes, or foods, an aerator that restricts flow to 0.5 gallon per minute is a good solution for you. If your sink is used for a combination of both of these things, strike a happy medium. You can save energy and water without hindering your ability to fill containers with a 1 gallon per minute aerator. Another option for you is to invest in one like this, which has 3 different settings. Now, you'll need to determine what type of aerator you need. Some of these are threaded on the inside, like that, and some are threaded on the outside, like that. You'll need to take a good look at your faucet to know. Materials and styles of spray can vary as well, and all those things can impact price, though many are available for less than $10. To install, you'll likely need a wrench to assist, but not much else. For care and maintenance, you'll need to clean or replace your aerators regularly. These powerful little tools can result in significant water and dollar savings over the course of a year.
I've got a handy item you're going to want to check out. This is called a ladybug shower head adapter. If you've ever run your shower for minutes on end to get it to the right temperature, you know the sound of money pouring down the drain. Once water reaches 95 degrees Fahrenheit, the adapter cuts the water to a trickle. That's the sign the water's ready. Then you simply flip a switch to start your shower. The unit automatically resets itself for the next shower once you're done. The cost of the adapter is just over $20. Installation is quick and easy, just a few simple steps. If you routinely leave the shower running for a minute to warm up, this adapter could help save you $75 in energy and roughly 2,700 gallons of water each year.
And we saved the best for last, the toilet.
A running toilet is an obvious self-reporting leak detector, but sometimes water loss from toilet tank leaks are sneakier than that.
Here's an easy and inexpensive way to detect if you're losing water from your toilet tank or not. These dye tablets can be purchased from any home improvement store for less than $1.
Place a dye tablet in the tank and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that time, if there is colored water in the toilet bowl, you have water leaking out of the tank into the bowl. This could be caused by an offset or degrading flapper valve. Adjustment of the chain or replacement of the valve or seal can usually solve the problem.
Now here's an added bonus. If you have food coloring in your pantry, you probably don't even need the tablets to do this quick detection test. Just put a few drops of food coloring in the tank and watch for the result.